Ladies and gentlemen, we have the Silver Bullet, and their first song is from the Cadillac Records, and it's by Etta James. It's called I'd Rather Go Blind. And their second song, which will be dedicated to their mother, the song is Like My Mother Does, from Lauren Alaina. Put your hands together for the Silver Bullet.
Something told me it was over, yeah. When I saw you with her talking, something deep down in my soul said cry, cry. When I saw you with her walking around, away from your child. So you see, I love so much, and I don't wanna watch you leave, baby. Most of all, I just don't wanna be free now. I'm just sitting here thinking of your kiss and your warm embrace, yeah. When the reflection in the glass that I held to my lips now, baby, reveal these tears that I won't hold in my face. And baby, this you walk away from me, yeah. And baby, brown boy, this you walk away from me. And I would rather go blind. I was just sitting here thinking of your kiss and your warm embrace, yeah. When the reflection in the glass that I held to my lips now, baby, reveal these tears that I won't hold in my face. And cause you walk away from me, yeah. And cause you walk away from me.
Salam Samoa, sa kapito sa mga ibig mo tinaaman ng Samoa. Kabanatuin na lang sa kapito, pasisigi matolo fa ang matutina. Fai langit fo lang. Happy Mother's Day in heaven, Mom.
Oh, how about that?